Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the essentials so fixes actually take hold. Open Valorant settings, set the resolution you want, and choose full screen for best results. Full screen reduces input lag and forces GPU mode. Once done, make sure Windows display scaling is 100% or a supported value because scaling can change effective resolution. Next, update your GPU drivers and run Valorant's client repair. Corrupted files or Vanguard issues often reset display behavior, so repairing fixes hidden conflicts. You now align system and game settings so they match exactly. Open your GPU control panel and force the desktop and application resolution to your target value and correct refresh rate. Mismatches cause stretching or black bars. Once aligned, close Valorant and edit the game settings. Inai or Valorant configuration to lock display mode, setting width and height to exact pixels. This prevents the client from auto-switching. Also disable HDR and third-party overlays temporarily because they can override color and scaling, causing weird resolution behavior. You finish by validating and cleaning up so the change sticks. Launch Valorant, confirm in-game resolution and your GPU panel show the same numbers. If they do, save and test a live match. If problems persist, reinstall Riot Vanguard and reset Valorant settings to default, then reapply your preferred resolution because corrupted drivers or anti-cheat hooks can block display changes. Finally, if nothing works, test a different monitor or create a custom resolution in your GPU control panel to isolate hardware versus software costs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.